What is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming back to see another video. Today is Winter Wonderland inspired. We are shining and glistening. It should be, what's that song? Rudolph? Yeah, I just need a red nose. Okay, never mind. But yes, this look was really challenging in the beginning, as you'll see. But I'm really in love with how it came out. I think it is so gorgeous. I feel like my whole channel is becoming glitter makeup. I'm just trying to think, like, is there anything that's going to be not glitter inspired? I don't know, but as long as you guys love it, I love it. I could do it forever. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Hello! Such a creeper. Okay, you guys, to get started, I'm just going to dip into a dark blue color, and I'm going to start putting that in my outer corner. I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, and this I'm going to use tapping motions to get the color on there, and then later I'm going to blend it. I'm going to see if I want to like mix colors or not, but we're really just only focusing on the outer portion of the eye. And I did set this base already. I just didn't want creases in my eye, but I probably didn't need to set it. So I'm just going to kind of like taper it into like a triangle shape, because when I add my glitter, I want to make it very dramatic on the crease. I just kind of got this thought in my head. And I hope I can make it come to life. And then I'm also going to start pulling it around like this. For the under eye. Okay, so did that. It looks a hot mess, alright. We're going to take my little e.l.f. blending eye brush and just kind of blend out these edges really lightly in circular or small circular motions. And then also kind of running over this little area so that it's not as harsh. So I think that looks pretty good. I promise you guys, this look is going to come together in 0.2 seconds. My whole channel is just slowly turning into a glitter fest. We're just going to go straight in with the glitter, and wherever I did not put shadow on my lid is where glitter is about to go. Alright, you guys, whoa, this right here is something else. I was struggling at first, if you couldn't tell, because I just could not figure out, like, for the life of me, what I was doing wrong, because it just didn't look right at all. And I think it was because it was too much of a harsh line right here with this glitter. And then I just kind of started adding little glitter dots at the edge of it and adding more of the little tiny, just the sheer glitter, just kind of, you know, like a taper. It just tapers off. And now I like it. Now it's kind of what I was like picturing. What do y'all think? So now we're going to go back in and finish up our lower lash line. I wonder if we should grab this baby blue right here. now that we got our lower lash line done, I'm going to do my lower liner. And I'm going to start with this blue, and then I'm going to add some white on top of it to hopefully get like, you know, a baby blue. Okay, now I'm adding the white. And we're going to see what it does. Alright, now I'm going to prep these lashes. It would be so nice of myself to take off the glue when I take my lashes off, but it's like whenever a girl takes her lashes off, it's like a breakup. We're done. And then I come back and I'm like, oh my gosh, now I gotta fight this glue right now. Alright you guys, so I'm going to put on my bottom mascara and do a little blush and highlight, some lips, and we're going to be done. And here is the final look, you guys. What do you think? Of course, I'm in love. I wasn't sure about it at first. I was really kind of iffy because I had it in my mind, but like I say, it's just, you never really know how it's going to come out. And I am really digging it. I hope you guys like it too. If y'all have any questions about anything I did off camera, just let me know. I'll list a few of the things that I used in the bottom bar. If you guys will leave me a comment and tell me your favorite Christmas song, because this one is inspired by Winter Wonderland. And another one, check the bottom bar, check the description bar, and you will see. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I love you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Ready to get in my pajamas.